Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very pleased to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the happy birthday animation. Only use one picture. How is that possible? So don't worry guys, because this video will show you the step by step to do it. And also in advance, if you have the birthday for today, I wish you the very birthday and I wish you all the best. And let's go back to the tutorial. We will use this Pixverse and I will use the Android phone to create this animation, or if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS, and don't forget to install it first from the App Store. And let's get into the application. So it will direct you into the template and also the home page. And also to do the creation, then you will need to do the logged in or sign up. So this application will earn you several credit over here. Well, basically for the new user of if you are not the user of pro version, then this application will give you 60 credit and it will be renewed daily at the 0 UTC. So it also depends on your time zone. And we will create the happy birthday animation. So we will click this template, and as you can see, this happy birthday is the headline of this template. So we will click this template, and it will drag you into this field, and you can select the favorite picture that you have in the gallery. And as you can see here, this animation will need you 20 credit, and since we have the 20 credit left, so it will be enough to do the creation. So I will continue to generate this animation, and it will take you a while to generate the animation. So you can also explore more about the template while waiting for the result, and it will usually show the notification up here that your video is ready. So if you have any recommendation about the new application that can do the same as this application, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there, and we would love to make the video based on your request. And as you can see, we received the notification that video is ready. Then let's see the result. Isn't that interesting, right? So don't forget to try this application, and you can also share this video into your favorite social media, or you can also simply download this video, or you can change it into the HD quality, but it will need 40 credit to upscale the quality. So that's all guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.